Hey, Tooth Warriors, welcome back. Got a cavity creeping up and need it gone like yesterday? Today I'm tackling the big question, can you heal cavities in just 2 days at home? Spoiler, if it's early decay, you might just pull it off. We're diving into fast, natural fixes to stop tooth decay in its tracks. Plus, want a crazy trick? Check out the Navy tooth repair hack in the description. It's wild. Let's hustle. Your smile's on the clock. First, let's get real. Cavities don't magically vanish in 48 hours if they're deep holes. That's dentist territory with drills and fillings. But if it's early stage decay, called demineralization, where the enamel's just starting to weaken, you can kickstart remineralization fast. How? By flooding your teeth with minerals and zapping bacteria ASAP. It won't fully heal in 2 days, but you can stop the damage and strengthen your enamel big time. Oh, and speaking of quick fixes, the Navy tooth repair hack in the description is a must-see. Check it out after this. All right, here's your 2-day cavity combat plan. 5 detailed steps to save your teeth fast. Number 1. Supercharge with minerals. Your enamel needs calcium and phosphorus, stat. Day 1. Eat a handful of almonds. About 23 nuts give you 75 milligrams of calcium, plus a slice of cheddar cheese, which has 200 milligrams more. Day 2. Repeat and sip mineral-rich bone broth. It's like an emergency mineral 4 for your teeth. Number 2. Oil pulling blitz. Grab organic coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, and swish it for 15 minutes, twice a day. Why? It's got lauric acid that kills cavity-causing bacteria like Streptococcus mutans. Spit it in the trash, don't clog your sink, and rinse with warm water. By day 2, your mouth will feel cleaner than ever. Number 3. Sugar detox. Now bacteria thrive on sugar, so for 48 hours, go hardcore. No soda, candy, or even fruit juice. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, and chew xylitol gum, 5 pieces a day. Xylitol starves bacteria by mimicking sugar without feeding them. It's a ninja move. Number 4. Turbo brush with hydroxyapatite ditch. Regular toothpaste for 1 with hydroxyapatite, a natural mineral that rebuilds enamel fast. Brush for 2 minutes, morning and night, focusing on the sore spot. Use a soft bristled brush and massage gently. Think of it as a spa day for your teeth. Day 2, add a fluoride rinse if you've got it. Double the protection. Number 5. Vitamin D crash course. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, so get 15 minutes of sunlight daily. Aim for 10 a.m. when UVB rays are strong. No sun? Pop a 2000 IU-D3 supplement with a fatty meal. Think avocado toast. Pair it with a dab of grass-fed butter for K2, which directs minerals straight to your teeth. By day 2, your enamel's soaking it up. Quick reality check. 2 days won't erase a cavity, but it can halt decay and start healing if you catch it early. Fun fact, your saliva ramps up mineral delivery overnight, so keep that mouth hydrated. Try these steps and you'll feel the difference. For an extra wow, click the Navy Tooth Repair hack in the description. It's unreal. Drop a comment. Would you try this 2-day plan? Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Keep those teeth fighting.